How to make tests in less than an hour. So I recently found this app and it uses AI to actually make test questions for you, and you have a choice to actually activate the AI or not. And then you can also use the um, whatever power standards you need, uh, in case you're using some standards. Depends what subject. So if you don't have an account, then make one with this app. It looks like this. It's called Formative, and all you need to do is just sign up, click new Formative, and then you can even have a choice to make your test like with device or not, or print it out. So here, just click the plus button. You can have the different types of questions that you wanna make, and I usually use this auto generate, and then it would confirm that you would need AI. You need to have your passage type, up to you. I will go with this one, and this is where AI comes in. You need to give it a prompt. Usually you can use the topic, then for example angles, and then what are you aiming for your question. Then you would say matching angles with its correct measurement, something like that. And then make sure you have your grade level and then your subject as well, and even this. Let's start with something easy. Let's see. Then you have your 4 questions. Then you can make it similar, harder. So you can actually choose, just hover here, and then if you only need one, then just and take the other ones. You can also change it to true or false, and then regenerate. That's it. So click add if you want to add it, and then you can keep building up your questions, and then whatever your goal is, then you can already download it as a PDF like this. So usually they don't have it, but what you're going to do is go here to print, and then click preview, and then usually your printers will show. And then there's also another option, which would be this, to save as PDF. Then it would have this. So that's very fast and easy.